What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. CC here. I'm back with another video. In today's video I'll be sharing with you guys a few recipes that you could use when you're drinking your apple cider vinegar water. If you're trying to lose weight, this should definitely be a part of your regimen. You should definitely have this on hand. I bought this end of July. I want to say July. End of July, and it's September 27 now, so I've been using it a lot. I drink it every day, so I'm gonna show you guys a few ways that you could drink this apple cider vinegar and still enjoy the drink, the water. So I have some fruits here. This has a lot of benefits for you. It's very good for the gut. It helps with the immune system, and it also helps to suppress your appetite, which helps with you eating less, losing more weight, breaking down stuff in your stomach faster. I'll list some of the benefits on the screen, but those are what I can remember off the top of my head. So you'll drink this twice a day, in the morning before you eat and in the afternoon as well. So I drink it before I go to work, and when I get home from work I drink it as well. So a lot of people said it's best to drink it at room temperature, but this is a little bit cold. I like mine's a little cold. So the first way I'm going to drink it is 1 cup of water. Tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and that's the first way. So if I'm rushing, I normally just drink it like this and I go about my day. And you definitely need a straw when you're drinking this because it's very acidic, and you don't want to drink it, you don't want to just turn the cup to your head and drink it. You need to drink it with a straw so you could protect the enamel on your teeth. Protect your teeth. This is the straw that I'm using. So this is just water and the apple cider vinegar. And I'm used to the taste by now because I drink it a lot. And I'm just going to throw this out so I could make the next recipe. Recipe number 2 calls for 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This time we're going to add some lime. When I use my lime, I use half of 1 lime. Oh Lord, ain't no juice. Okay, there we go. Okay, so half of the lime and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and then you're gonna get 1 cup of water. Definitely tastes better than just the apple cider vinegar and water, so that is why we add the lime, and the lime have benefits for you as well. Let's go on to recipe number 3. Get your same 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar. Hi Latte, what's wrong with you? You guys hear my cat in the background? We're gonna use lemon. Lemon is acidic as well, but it's not as bad, not as acidic as the lime, so you're going to get a different taste. Also, we're going in with half a lemon. What's wrong, Ate? What's wrong? 1 cup of water. Oh, that's a little bit more than a cup. It just keeps getting better and better. So it tastes better than the apple cider vinegar with water. Tastes better than the water and lime. Let's move on to recipe number 4. We're using orange. This is my favorite. I love the taste of this water with the orange. 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Guys, you'll get used to this. You'll get used to the taste. It's not that bad. I see people online carrying on and being so extra. Let me not say extra. Maybe they just not used to it, but then we're gonna use half of the orange. If you want to use the whole orange, you can do that, but I save my money, child. So 1 orange, that's 2 cups. 2 cups of water for me. Then you add your water. I tell you, this one is my favorite. I love the orange. Go ahead and take out the seeds. You don't want to choke on that. Last recipe I have for you guys is we're going to be using grapefruit. This is the grapefruit. This is pink grapefruit. And we're going to add the grapefruit. And you know the grapefruit is really bitter. If you're not used to grapefruits, they're bitter. So 2 cups of apple cider vinegar, half grapefruit. Oh. There you go. Half of the grapefruit, and since this is really bitter, we're gonna spice it up and we're adding some cinnamon. So this is the spice I'm choosing to add to my drink. You could use nutmeg or other spices. So I'm using, let's say, a dash of cinnamon. And you're supposed to use honey with this recipe. Unfortunately, I don't have any right now. And it would be best to use the raw honey, not just the regular honey that you buy from the food store. But if that's what you have, you could use that. Or you could use agave. That's a substitute. That's also a sweet nectar that you could use. So this is the grapefruit and cinnamon and honey. You need your honey. Let's taste it without the honey. This is good. It's not that bad. It reminds me of the orange. It's just a little bit stronger than the orange, so this is good. This is good. This tastes better than the lime and the lemon. So this is almost on par with the orange. And now I have a whole jug of apple cider vinegar. So I'm gonna drink this throughout the week, and I'm sure this tastes good because you got the lime, you got the lemon, you got the orange, you got the grapefruit. You have everything in one. So let me taste it. Really good. And I'm still tasting the cinnamon. Yes, I could drink this every day. It's an easy remedy to add to your weight loss journey, and you won't feel it. Like you're just drinking some water in the morning and in the afternoon. So guys, those are the recipes that I use when I'm drinking my apple cider vinegar. If you have more recipe, share it down below and start drinking this if you want to lose weight, if you want to keep your immune system boosted and just energized, if you want to cut down on what you eat. I'm telling you, this is gonna suppress your appetite. Okay guys, look at this. I was saving these bottles, don't ask me why, but I used to drink this wine, but I'm glad I did because I pour the apple cider vinegar into these, and now I'm gonna put it in the fridge and I could just grab one and go. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.